So what are we doing today? Well, we are up on the roof and we are inspecting, we are cleaning, and Michelle is going to take the shrouds off of the air conditioner so that we can get in there and clean. I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you kind of the gunk that's inside it. Okay, it's Phillips head. All right, try that. So Michelle's trying to take the shroud off right now, and we took 4 screws out of the top that kind of hold it on, and it looks like it should be able to come apart in 2 pieces, but I don't know if you can see because of the way the sun is pointing right now, that gunk that's in there. We've had this unit since March 1st, and it is now just after the 1st of September. So we've gone all summer running the air. It's been pretty dry this summer, and that sucked a lot of dust into that AC, so we've got to get that stuff sprayed off of there.
Oh, how dirty that is. Nasty. Let's get this stuff cleaned off.
So this being the first time we've done this, I've got the attachment on my pressure washer that's for using it with soap, which is probably the lowest pressure setting that I can have on it, because I don't want to get up here and blow these fins out trying to get this right. I've also got a mild detergent in my pressure washer to help clean the roof too. We're gonna do that while we're up here.
Hope you can see the difference between what we've done and what we've got left to do. So if I turn around this way, maybe, oh, my shadow's in the way. Look at the slides. It's amazing how filthy these things get. Here's our clean air conditioning vent.
What are your thoughts? I mean, how did it go?
It's pretty easy. I mean, if you've got a pressure washer and a place to do that, I think there are like big bays like semis use that you could probably do the same thing, but I kind of like the control of cleaning it with the pressure washer personally. It's nice to get up here and get it cleaned off. We have been up here quite a bit, but I think because we've been so stationary and we've been under trees, it was pretty dirty. A lot dirtier than I'd seen it in the past. So it was nice for the weather to break and to be able to get up here and clean it off.
Yeah, it's been a cool morning, so we didn't run the air conditioners last night. We had the windows open, and that gave us the flexibility to get up here and spray the air conditioners off. So that they could be off and not sucking water in. That's very important that you have it off when you do this. So Michelle just finished spraying off the roof, and for anybody who thinks it's not very chivalrous of me to stand on the ground or stand on the ladder alongside, I lost quite a bit of weight over the last couple of years, but I'm still pushing over 3 bills, so it is more chivalrous for me to keep our roof intact and be here as a support system to try and catch her, as opposed to me to try and climb up on the roof and fall through it and create a hole that is irreparable. I wanted to just kind of touch on one thing really quick, and that is Michelle found some sap on the roof. You know, as a part of owning an RV, it's recommended, and there's a sticker right by our door that says that you need to get up on your roof and inspect it every 90 days. You need to check your seals. You need to get the self-leveling lap sealant and the information on what specific sealant you should use. I would recommend checking with your manufacturer. Ours was in our owner's manual, and that is all a part of your routine maintenance. Michelle was worried because she saw something on the roof that looked like something had drug across the top or kind of scratched the rubber membrane. And we got up here and got a little closer and kind of dragged a fingernail across it, and I think it was sap. But it looked like like a tree limb had drug and kind of scratched the top a little bit. Now I've got some photos that I'm going to include as well, and they are of a hole that we actually got when a tree limb fell. A tree limb about the size of a baseball bat fell, and it punched a hole about the size of a quarter in the roof. Now the temporary fix for that was a flex tape patch, but Dicor makes a patch kit, and Camco has a patch kit that you can get. Make sure that you get the one that is specific to your type of roof, and that comes with everything that you need to be able to put over a hole that small. Something that's a little bigger than that, you're probably going to want to look into the rolls of the patch tape, or check with your manufacturer, your service professional, and see if you need a full replacement. But very important to perform your roof maintenance. I don't necessarily think that we have been lax in our efforts. We've been up on the roof several times, and we've gone around, and Michelle's put the lap sealant around the seals, and this was the first really big kind of push on roof cleanup and roof maintenance, and I'm very pleased with it. Thanks for watching this video. You know, you clearly found out that we've got a YouTube channel, but are you subscribed? If you're not, visit youtube.com or open up your YouTube app, search Called to Be Free RV, and then when you get to the page, subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell and you'll be notified when new videos pop up. We're also posting content each and every day on our Instagram account. It's called the number 2, the letter B, free _RV on Instagram. Make sure to like our Facebook page as well. You know, we appreciate the support, and the best way that you can help us out right now, as we are an upstart channel, is to like these social media accounts, subscribe, and make sure to share them as well with folks that you think would really enjoy our content. Until next time, thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless.